welcome to Trivi Vlogs. This is Mohammed Surur for Trivi News. Today's COVID update. World update is total 31.3 million, where recovery rate is 22.8 million. Death is 9,65,328. For India, it is total of 5.48 million. Recovery rate is 4.39 million. Death is 87,909. Kerala total rate 1,36,000. Recovery rate is 95,702. Death rate is 535 plus an updation of 16. And the total there is an updation of 4,696 in the total cases. In Trivandrum we have a case of 25,524 for total. Recovery is 18,698. Death is 169. Now let's move on to the Trivandrum news. Government nominee appointed for Sri Padmanabha Swami Temple. P.K. Madhavan Nair will be the state government nominee to 5-member administrative committee. Second one is fishing ban till tomorrow. District Collector Navjot Kosa issued an order on Sunday preventing the fishermen from venturing out till Tuesday evening. Third news. Renovated facilities for Kerala Ceramics. CM, our Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan, will inaugurate and filter pass plans of Kerala Ceramic Limited on September 22. Next news. Ruling front opposition wrangle on Quran issue. BJP and LDF are accusing each other for dragging holy text into the heart of the political dispute. Next one. No decision yet on schools, Minister says health is a major priority for him. The next one is Kerala news. No advance warning on swollen Meenachal rainfall gauges and scales installed to assess flash flooding. Next one. No breakthrough yet in the Karvata bank theft case. 5.43 kg of gold, ornaments and 4.5 lakhs were stolen. Next news. Kerala to produce swine flu medicine, vaccines. Let's go to the India news. Amid fierce protest, Rajya Sabha passes 2 farm bills. Government should send them to the select committee for scrutiny, says opposition party. Next one. Government tables bill to amend FCRA. Bid to enhance transparency. It will make Aadhaar mandatory. Next news. Make ethics code mandatory for all news channels. The fourth news is arrested planned terrorist acts, says NDA. Next is MSP, government procurement will continue, says our Prime Minister. New bill will be giving farmers freedom from the middlemen. Next news. ICMR keen on saliva-based test for COVID-19, says Vardhan. Next, the world news. SC nominee will be a woman, says Trump. Next news. US says UN sanctions on Iran back in force. Others disagree. Next one. US judge blocked government orders to remove WeChat. Next news. WHO clears protocol for COVID-19 herbal medicine trials. Let's go to the sports news. Delhi Capitals pips Kings 11 in the super over finish. And next news is RCB to take over SRH, that is Sunrisers Hyderabad, in today's match, which is to be held by 7:30 p.m. Next we have the CSK won over MI in their first match. Now let's move on to the tech news. Xiaomi Mi 10 Ultra is today's mobile of the day, which is priced at rupees of 56,990. It's an 8GB RAM mobile with 128GB of RAM and also the memory. It is covered by the Snapdragon 865. So that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day. This is Mohammed Surur from